Alright, if you're having issues with your CPU being severely underclocked, first step is just to enter BIOS. For me, it's under advanced frequency settings, and then you look for the control the setting that says CPU clock ratio. For me, it's set to auto, which is 36. For you, it might be set to say 0.8. Simple way around that is if you look at your numpad, press the plus or minus buttons on your numpad, and to see what that looks like, here's my numpad. Here's the minus up top and then the plus out below that. Simply use those to change it to a desired frequency, or preferably set it to auto, and you should be good.